Check out the surprise we got today and look at the predator right there in the water. See that turtle trying to get him? Oh, they're so cute. 17 of them with 7 yellow ones. Wow, that's amazing. That's the most yellow ones I've ever seen in the clutch. Well, let's see how many she's got today, huh? Oh, she lost 4 last night. Come on, little doggies. It's okay, Mama. I'm not going to get them. I'm not going to get them. We're making a way. So cute. At long last, feeling like a new day. See how many she's got today. Wow, looks like she's only got 9 left now. She lost another 2. Thankfully, there's still 4 yellows. You're gonna see. It's okay, Mama. It's gonna back. We're gonna get it. So all right. See how many she's got today. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Uh-oh. 2 casualties. Even when it comes, I'll be fading in time. Oh. Good, Ducky. Leads in one frame at a time. Gotta hold the lead to win if you get it. Don't you attack her again, Maggie. See how many she's got left today. Uh-oh, it's not looking good. Oh, man, they got ravaged last night. Oh, poor little things. Only 4 left. 3 of them got eaten last night. I know, little duckies. You were doing so good, too. Poor little guys. 4 soldiers left. That's a sad day at Epic Pond. Mama Skiggy has lost all of her ducklings. Once again, this clutch didn't even make the 2-week mark.